Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be making resin agate coasters in 3 different ways. Let's get started. Coaster is one of my favorite methods, the Petri effect using alcohol inks. I'm using a little bit of holographic glitter at one end and then just pouring my alcohol inks at the other end. I'm going to leave the middle transparent. Let's see how this one turns out. The Petri effect will always give you a unique and a beautiful result. Coaster, I'm taking colors that go really well together and just pouring them into the mold. So I've taken black, white and gold and I've poured them in no particular order into the mold. So you can make a design or you can blend them together. Or just leave it as it is, it will look great anyway. Resin has a life of its own, so if you made your design when the resin is still fluid, there's always the chance that your design would change slightly. Turned out pretty good. Unique sides in the front and the back. For the third coaster, I am trying to achieve a crackle effect or a unique design at one end. The resin that I'm using for this coaster has already started to cure, so it is already thick and warm to the touch. I'm mixing my resin with 2 colors, metallic red and golden, separately and then pouring the golden over the metallic red. Then I'm pouring the mix slowly at the other end. A little bit of heat from the heat gun to pop the bubble. I'm dragging a popsicle stick through to make a design, and since the resin is thick and already setting at this stage, I'm hoping that the design will stay as it is. Okay, time to unmold. Okay, doesn't look like a crackle effect. Neat design anyway. If any of you have achieved the effect, please let me know how you did it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, comment, like and share for more videos. I'll see you in the next one.